Why would you want to know how to fold a fitted sheet? Well, I'll tell the ladies why you would want to know how to fold a fitted sheet. Ladies, you would want to know how to fold a fitted sheet because you could be the envy of the block. That's right, when you have company over and they go snooping through your linen closet and see just how organized your linen closet is, they will be green with envy. And then they will ask you, how do you fold a fitted sheet? Now guys, you might want to know how to fold a fitted sheet because knowing how to fold a fitted sheet just might increase your success with the ladies. And lastly, you might want to know how to fold a fitted sheet because why settle for this when you can have this? Alright, first thing we're going to do when we learn how to fold a fitted sheet is take the folded fitted sheet in your hands and unfold it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our sheet and we're going to turn it so that the seams are on the outside facing away from you. The tag is on the outside, the seams are on the outside. And what we're going to do is you're going to take a corner in one hand and a corner in the other hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to have the long part of the sheet between our hands. So if it looks like that, that's the short side. If it looks like that, that's the long side, okay? Now, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our hands together. Now, it'll help if you take your chin and you hold the middle of the sheet like that and bring your hands together just like that, okay? Kind of like a seal, okay? We're gonna do the seal thing. Hands together, just like a seal. Then we're gonna take the corner that's in your right hand and flip it over your left hand. So now we have a corner in our left hand, just like that. And if we grab the other end with our right hand, just like this, we have something that looks just like this. Okay? Now, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your right hand, which is this hand right here, and we're gonna put it where the left hand is, and we're gonna substitute it. So we're gonna put the right hand where the left hand is, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your left hand and you're gonna put it in the other corner. There's another corner inside, just like that. You're gonna have a thing like that. It's gonna look just like that. Then what we need to do is there is another corner on the outside. You can see it here, just like that. And we're gonna put the outside corner over the inside corner. So you have something that looks just like that, okay? You have your hands spread apart. You can hold the middle with your chin, makes it a lot easier. And bring your hands together like a seal, just like that, okay? But there's one thing we need to do before we go to the next step. If you look over here in the bottom left corner there, it looks like a mess. So what we need to do is we need to straighten that out, okay? Right there, it's a mess. So, in order to do that, bring your hands together. Just grab the bunch of sheet that you were holding in your left hand and hold it temporarily with your right hand. Now, we're gonna take and turn this thing inside out. And put your hand back together. So now you have that thing is turned inside out, or right side in, or whatever, okay? So now you have something that looks like this, okay? It still looks like a rectangle. So you hold it with your chin, bring your hands together like a seal. Okay, like a seal. You do the seal thing, and now we're gonna flip the right hand, which is this hand, like that. We're gonna flip it over the left hand now. So bring your hands together, and now you're gonna flip both of these corners over the left hand. So now you have something that looks just like that. Okay, can you see what I got? It looks like that. Now, at this stage, we're gonna set it down on the table. Just like that. All right, so now you have something that looks like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is straighten these out. When we straighten that out, we're gonna turn it toward you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stick this underneath here like so. And you'll have something that looks like that, okay? All right, so something that looks like this. The classic sign is that you have a quarter of a circle here in one of the corners. Okay, so if you've done everything right up to this point, you have a quarter of a circle. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this baby into thirds. So you're gonna take your corner with the circle and bring that into the middle, just like that, okay? And then you're gonna bring the other end and bring it in just like thirds, okay? Now if you're folding a king sheet, you may wanna do it into fourths. All right, so now you see we have a nice end and we got a not so nice end. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the not so nice end. We're gonna fold it to the third. We're gonna put that into the middle and then we're gonna fold it just like that. Okay, so we got the good end on top, just like that. Now, one thing is you're gonna see is that you have a nice end and maybe a not so nice end. So when you put it in the closet, you may want to have this end showing, okay? But seriously, that's not so hard. Now, so if I can learn how to fold a fitted sheet, so can you. And like me, you can be the envy of the block.